everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Yes, it's our channel, it's not my channel, it's ours. I hope you've all had a lovely week, and this is my usual Sunday speed clean. I've shortened it right down. I've done the upstairs. I started in the upstairs and made my way down. This was the thorough deep clean, so it is edited, but I really hope that you enjoy it and it inspires you this lovely Sunday morning. It's late start on this speed clean. I didn't start until around 11:15, and I'd done all of the upstairs and made my way down. I think it was about 4 by the time I got downstairs, and I had a pile of laundry to tackle, which I had been tackling beforehand. I'd done all the bedding, stripped the beds, changed the beds, and done probably 2 washes before I started filming downstairs. So I'm just going to quickly show you the products that I'm using. That's my soap powder and fabric sheets, and then it's the usual that I'm using: e-cloths, Method floor cleaner, Astonish. I use the Astonish on the hob and on the ceramic sinks too, and Soft Flora, which I put neat down the ceramic sinks and in the grids outside, and I clean the wheelie bins with it. As you know, you can't use Soft Flora whilst your pets are in the room. They have to be out, so I don't use it where the dogs are. And Dettol room spray, which is what I use to clean my work surfaces, and it works perfectly. So the first thing that I'm doing is tackling more laundry. It's amazing how much washing is accumulated when I've cut it down to doing it either 2 or 3 times a week. I just seem to have piles and piles of washing. So on that wash, it was the dark wash. I had a darks left to do out of the washing. I'd done the 2 lots of bedding from upstairs, and I'd done 2 white washes also. So I was pretty ahead of myself. Everybody always wonders why I take the drawer out of my washing machine. It's just something that I always do. I wash it every time I use it. I give it a rinse. Also, my washing machine and tumble dryer are in housing units, so I just find it easier to put the fabric softener in on the worktop and then pop the drawer back in, and it's good to go. So you're all probably wondering why the Diet Coke cans got washed. Well, one exploded in the utility, in the plastic wrapper, and sprayed all over the walls. That's why you see me washing the walls and the plinths that run on top of the worktops. It sprayed everywhere, so everything had to be washed, and I left the cans in the utility sink with water rinsed, and then just dried them and put them away.
Oh, we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. Oh, we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. This shouldn't be us. Why can't it be us when we caught them? We were supposed to break up. It's too late to make up to what my heart meant. No, this should not be us, not be us, not be us. This should not be us, not be us.
I get tons of questions over this tap extension, and I have linked it in the description box below. It's just a great little tool. If you've got a little screw nozzle on the end of your tap, then you know that you'll be able to put a tap extension on it and basically be able to rinse the sink out rather than changing the whole tap unit. And they're inexpensive, they're on Amazon, and they are linked below also. So yeah, they are brilliant. I bought one and I just left it on the utility sink, and then I just pop it on the kitchen sink when I need it. It does the job perfect.
You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free.
After a nice little Terry's chocolate orange break, there's a sticker on the dining table, as you can see there. I think it was like a quality assurance pass sticker. It's a new dining table that I've got, so I was desperate to remove the sticky label off. So I just used the sticky remover, put 3 little drops on, and it literally wiped off within seconds. That stuff is amazing, and I'll link it in the description box below, because if you've got any, it's called sticky stuff remover, but you can just use it to remove labels off glass, any sticky marks that may be on your PVC from your Christmas lights, all stuff like that. That stuff is amazing. This room looks so bare, but it's just because it's going to be getting decorated soon. We found our perfect 3-piece suite. We had many arguments over which one we were going to get, but we have decided on a suite, and we're just going to wait for it to come now, and then I'll surprise you all with it. But that's it. I did vacuum and spray mop too, but I just didn't film me doing it. I've edited it out simply because you have seen me do it countless times. So that's it, everyone. I hope you all have a fabulous day, whatever you are doing, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.